Hello friends, in this video we will see question 3 of exercise 8.1 chapter 8 trigonometry. Question: if sin A is equal to 3 by 4, then calculate cos A and tan A. Let us consider a right angle triangle at B, triangle ABC. Given sin A is equal to 3 by 4. We know sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. Sin A opposite side is BC is equal to 3 and hypotenuse is 4. By using Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. And now we have to find the side AB. Which gives AB square is equal to AC square minus BC square. AB square is equal to AC the whole square minus BC 3 the whole square, which is equal to 16 minus 9 is equal to 7, which gives AB is equal to root 7. We have to find cos A and tan A. Cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, which is equal to AB by AC, which is equal to root 7 by 4. And then we have to find tan A. Tan A is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, which is equal to BC by AB, which is equal to 3 by root 7. Thank you.